pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hi everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, you guys know I love you so much, my gems. Okay, today we have a mystery box. Yes, it's the Too Faced mystery box. We are going to go through that, unbox that, and we're going to do a look with everything. So are you guys excited? I am. It was $40, supposed to be $111 value in it. And let's get started. Hi guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. So I ordered a, oh wait a minute, my lens isn't right. Hang on. Okay, so I have ordered a Too Faced mystery box. It was a $40 box and it's supposed to be $111 value. So we're actually going to see if it actually is $111 value and what we got. I'm super excited. So if that's something you want to see, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so she comes like this, and let's open her up. Now I already dipped in here and checked things out so I could do some swatches for you guys, and I'm going to put those on the screen, but here she is. Okay, are you ready? We got the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, which, look at the packaging, super cute, and it smells like summer, kind of like peaches. Alright, so it's got a full-size mirror, well, full-size mirror for this, and it's got 12 shades, and they are all mattes, and here they are. Now, I'm kind of curious on how, because these shades look similar, and when I swatch them, and you'll see in a minute, yeah, some of them did not show up real well, so they might have to be built. I'm hoping this is a good product, but we're going to try it out today. So let's see what else we got. Alright, want to see the highlighter? It comes in this cute little puppy dog thing. I love it. But here it is here. Doesn't smell like anything. So that is the highlighter. I think she's pretty. Okay, then we got the Damn Girl mascara. And I got two samples. I chose those. And we got the Rich Dazzling Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Raisin the Roof. Ooh, so I'm excited. Here it is here. So now we are going to go ahead and use all of these products. I'm going to be able to tell you the prices. I'll put them on the screen for you, and we're going to figure out. My friend brought me coffee. I feel so blessed. All right, now we're going to play with these shadows. It's so weird, though, because I don't have, like, a shimmer. Usually, I'm like, oh, let's bling this out, right? Today, I'm going to be like, we're going to see. And I'm a little concerned about the pigment. I told you guys that already. So let's go in with a blending brush and see how these bitches work. All right. Just Peachy. Let me try this one. I have MAC Paint Pot on my eyes. Okay, so the pigment's not bad. Because the swatches were kind of light. I had to like multiple times dip in and go back. I was like, okay, not bad. Not bad. I hope I look good in peach. We'll see, won't we? Okay. I need the fan. It's getting warm here. Alright, fan! Okay, so we did Just Peachy, which I'm liking. I think that that's a nice, soft, pretty color. it's not too overpowering. Then we've got Peach Punch. We've got Peach Sangria. Let me see. How about we go in with Fresh Picked? Try that one. There's some kick up, not a lot. Ooh, we want to make that crease dark so my lid looks bigger. Yes, and we want to make sure there's no separation in pigment. See that right there? We have to fix it. Okay. I sent my gem members some mail today, and I have like a lot of gem members, so I will definitely be doing that for the next couple of weeks. You guys are getting surprises. I love spoiling my gems. Okay, and I do have a few giveaways going on, guys. If you have not taken advantage of that, definitely do that. I love it when you guys win things. You get so excited, and it just makes me so happy. Okay, this is not bad, but I need a fluffier blending brush. We're going to go in with a Jaclyn Hill brush. Surprise, surprise, right? Jaclyn, I need to get on that PR list for Morphe. Okay, we're doing good. But I don't have a shimmer, so we're going to go ahead and... It's weird not having a shimmer. I'm like, really? Okay. The Visi Art palette was the only other palette that I had that had no shimmers in it, I believe. Oh, and no, the O palette, the Orgy palette, that one too. I love coffee so much. Okay, I am going to try a Farrah brush, and because they're matte, so it should work. And what we're going to do is just go in with Peach Butter and put that right here. That's nice and light. It's not actually a white. It's just got like a peach tint to it. Alright. You know me, we're going to have to add a shimmer at some point. It's just got to happen. Oh, I'm in such a good mood. I've got my coffee. My daughter's at school. My son is home because we're in quarantine again because somebody in his classroom, he had close contact with someone that had COVID. I mean, this poor kid, I just hope he passes this year. It's been absolutely crazy. Alright, so I've got this color in here. I may want to build it up. I don't think we're going to get much more pigment than what we've got, though. Not much more. But I do like it. I like the way these smell. Let me go ahead with my blending brush and kind of blend that out here. I am going to focus on next the outer part of my lid, right there in the crease with a dark color, and then we're going to pop something in the middle. That's what we're going to do. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, let's go for chocolate dipped. Oh, wait, let's try Peach Sangria first. Let's try that one first. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm liking that. If I can find this on their website with the price, I will totally put that in here for you. I think I paid a total of $48 with taxes and shipping. And so far, so good. It's pretty well curated. Mascara, eyeshadow palette, highlight, and lippy. Yeah, it's pretty well curated. Okay, so I like this. I'm liking it. Now I need my blending brush. Ooh, pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, I love summer. I love coffee. I love you guys. Here we are. Make sure. Should I do a premiere tonight? I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I miss you. A little bit of fallout. Not a lot. A little bit. Okay, I want to vamp this up a little bit. So, okay, we're vamped. Alright, now I want to take chocolate dipped. And that's the darkest, mattest brown. And I want to put that right here. Because you know how I love a dark eye. So far everything is blending super nicely. And that makes Karen very happy. Okay. Colors are going to mix a little bit as we're blending. It's totally okay. Look at that. It like blended beautifully together. Wow. I'm starting to like Too Faced. Maybe they went back to their like original good formula, because I know for a while their stuff was like, Okay. I really like this. What I think I'm going to do is take a light shade and put that on my lid. And then we're going to find some sparklies. Should we do that, or should we do... Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. Let me go ahead and use a regular Anastasia brush for this. Let's do Peaches and Cream. Yeah, right there. Make it nice and light. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. You know what? Let's dip into the highlighter. So this way I'm not using things, we'll just use all Too Faced today. And let's put the highlighter on the eye. Let's see what it does. Ooh, that's pretty. I was expecting more of a punch, but I mean, it's there, but it's not like blinding. Then again, that's fine with me. Okay, so we're gonna do some black liner, some lashes, come back and do the underneath the eye, all about the under eye. Let's see if I've got any crease brushes left. I don't know if I do or not. We might have to make do with something else. All right, let me go ahead and grab this Anastasia brush, and we're gonna do the under eye. I'm so excited. All right, so first things first, we're gonna take Peaches and Cream, which is a lighter color. Let's make sure you guys can see. And I'm just coating right here. I did put a liquid liner on top of my eye, and I put a gel liner on my waterline. And I like the thick ones, so I can go ahead and mix it with my shadow. I just put on a nude lipstick, and I'm going to try the Too Faced over it. And then we're going to play with the highlight. Alright, so let's do Peach Punch. I'm just using a very small section of this brush. I hope you guys can see. It's a habit of me right in front of the mirror. Okay, so now that we've done that, peach sangria and chocolate dipped, I'm going to mix together. Ooh, wow. Oh, I like the way that looks. When you have mature eyes, sometimes it helps to hold the skin. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, I'm so loving that. Let me just go underneath. Keep the pigment up there so it doesn't fall too far down. Oh my gosh, guys, do you see that? That is amazing. Okay, now you know we gotta follow up with some of Jaclyn Hill's Beaming Extra. I love it. I did put it a little up here and a little in the inner corner because it's my favorite, and I'm definitely extra. So we are going to, okay, yeah, put a little bit more right there and kind of bring it over just a little bit, bring it up a little bit, and now we're going to go in with the highlighter that is the Too Faced one that I got. I'm going to grab a highlighter brush. Before I do anything with this, I'm going to go ahead and set my face, pull out the awesome, amazing mascara. Oh, I was going to use that one. Use the one. Damn, girl. Let's use that. We're going to use that on my lower lash line. Wow, this is a thick wand. Look how thick that is. Holy. Oh my gosh, and there's so much product on it. And I tried to take that off. Holy jeez. Okay. I like the wand for Jeffree Star Cosmetics better for the lower lash line. This one you just have to be careful with. But I'm really wondering how it would do with my upper lashes. I'll have to try that next time. Okay, so now that we got that, nice mascara, nice wand. Don't work Too Faced. We won't dip the Glow Baby Glow brush in this pretty highlighter. And we're just going to, oh hi. Well, I have a zit right there, and if you didn't know it before, you definitely do now. Oops. Oh, I like it. It's like a nice soft glow, but at the same time you can really see it in the light. I'm liking that. Tiny bit on the nose. You can do a little on the cupid's bow if you'd like. Sometimes I like a little bit there. Do some on the forehead. All right, Karen, that's enough highlights. Look at that though. I'm all about it. Ooh. I like a lot. Okay, now the last thing we are going to try is this lip gloss. I just have a nude lipstick on. It's KKW Beauty. And my lips are super dry. I love the way this smells. I could smell this all day. Ooh, I am loving it. All right, this mystery box, definitely thumbs up. Do you see this? Do you see that? Okay. We got the Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I actually like an all matte palette. Wow. But we did follow up with a tiny bit of the highlight, which is, the packaging is so adorable. I will see if I can find individual prices and put it on the screen. If I can't, I'm sorry. This definitely has a great wand. It's a mini version of their mascara, but there's that, and then there's this here. I like it all. Yay! And you guys know how I am with Too Faced. And recently, the Teddy Bear palette, that was bomb too. So I'm like, oh, the formula, amazing. Guys, tell me what you think. I really appreciate you taking the time out to watch my review. I hope these things help you. This mystery box was definitely well curated. I didn't get two of any one item, which when you do get that, to me, it makes me a little sad. So I got it was well curated and everything worked well. And now I want your thoughts. Talk to me in the comments below. Did you get one of these? Did you know that they were even out? Because I got it as soon as I got the email, and it shipped pretty quickly, and here it is. So let me know everything you know down in the comments, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye!